Creopus AI is the world's first AI-native hardware engineering platform. It helps engineers build complex systems better, faster, and at lower cost, all from a single unified platform. System hierarchy. Organize complex product development using V-model systems engineering principles. Hierarchy. Projects are organized into 5 levels: system, work package, subsystem, assembly, and subassembly. Add or remove levels to match your product's complexity. Agentic AI workflow. Go from a product idea to a complete set of engineering artifacts in under 2 minutes using agentic AI. V-model system hierarchy. Starting fresh. Choose new system. Already have a system in progress? Choose link to existing system to add artifacts to it. Inputs. Enter a product name and the problem it solves, then click Start AI Workflow. Outputs. View all generated artifacts in the system hierarchy page or open them directly in their respective tools by clicking on the output cards. All tools on the platform share a consistent user interface for inputs and actions. The tools differ only in their output. Learn one, and you know them all. Requirements Generator. Generate structured requirements as per ISO 29148 standard, covering business, system, and functional requirements with full traceability. SWOT Analysis. Perform AI-powered strategic analysis to identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats for your product or market. Flock Diagram. Define system architecture by capturing inputs, functions, and outputs of different blocks across multiple hierarchy levels. Flowchart Generator. Convert text descriptions into editable flowcharts to visualize processes, algorithms, and system behaviors. Pew Matrix. Perform trade studies between alternative concepts or components. Rank and select the best option against weighted criteria. DFMEA. Perform design failure mode and effects analysis across systems and functions. Identify potential failures, assess risk with RPN scores, and define preventive actions. DVP. Design Verification Plan. Develop design verification and test plans linked to requirements and DFMEA risks, ensuring complete test coverage. BOM Completion. Maintain and complete your bill of materials in one place. AI fills in missing part numbers, footprints, and manufacturer data. PCB Quote Generator. Upload Gerber files for automated analysis and connect with registered suppliers. Perform root cause and corrective analysis action when there is a failure during development, production, or during operational service. Prepare 8-day report. Define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Ask 5 whys to identify root cause. Capture causes and subcauses under man, machine, method, material, measurement, and environment. Classify the defect count in Pareto chart to identify vital few and useful many. As the final step, summarize and track corrective actions and responsibility. Go to Creopus AI and jumpstart your product development today.